Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beyond our solar system? What mysteries could other planets harbor? The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky, has just unveiled something absolutely mind-boggling and downright terrifying on Proxima B. This Earth-like planet, orbiting the nearest star to the Sun, has long intrigued scientists as a potential home for alien life. But what the JWST just captured has left experts reeling and sparked countless theories. What did they find? And what does it mean for our future? Stick around, because this discovery could change everything we know about life beyond Earth. For decades, humanity has searched the cosmos for answers, and tools like the Kepler telescope have played a crucial role, focusing on one mission: to find exoplanets in a specific corner of the Milky Way. But now, the game has changed. The James Webb Space Telescope has delivered the most breathtaking image yet of Proxima B, a planet orbiting our nearest neighboring star. But it's not just the stunning clarity of the image that's making waves, it's what's hidden in the data. A faint signal detected from Proxima B has scientists abuzz. Could this be a breakthrough, a biosignature, or even evidence of advanced technology? It's not definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, not yet. But it's compelling enough to keep researchers glued to their screens, racing to uncover the truth. What secrets might this distant world hold? Could it reshape everything we thought we knew about life and our place in the universe? Get ready as we dive deeper into the mysteries of Proxima B, because what's waiting out there might just change the course of human history. This mind-bending detail about Proxima B has scientists and the rest of us holding our breath. If you were to live there, your options would be grim: either roast in endless daylight or shiver in never-ending night. But wait, there's a glimmer of hope. Between these extremes lies a thin twilight zone where day meets night. Here, the temperatures might just be mild enough for life to survive. Still, you'd better pack a really warm jacket or sunscreen just in case. Despite these challenges, scientists are finding ingenious ways to study this distant world. By analyzing light from Proxima Centauri that reflects off the planet, they can uncover secrets about its atmosphere, detect potential water, and even guess what conditions might exist on its surface. It's like solving a cosmic puzzle from light years away. And who knows? One day, they might spot something extraordinary, a glimmer of technology, a mysterious signal, or even something as wild as a glowing alien billboard advertising a galactic fast food joint. Could Proxima B be a second Earth? Or is it a barren wasteland, devoid of life? For now, the mystery deepens and the possibilities are thrilling. Imagine a world so hostile, it's drenched in deadly radiation, a reminder of how vast and mysterious the cosmos truly is. We've barely begun to explore it, yet the discoveries so far are nothing short of astonishing. Scientists have already identified thousands of exoplanets. Some dwarf even Jupiter, while others are Earth-sized. There are scorching hot worlds hugging their stars and icy planets trapped in frozen isolation. It's a cosmic grab bag, with each planet telling a unique story. And with every new telescope or innovative method we develop, the surprises keep coming. Peering behind the curtain of the universe reveals wonders we never expected, each one more mind-blowing than the last. But the search for other worlds isn't just about finding alien life. It's about understanding ourselves. Are we an anomaly, or is life scattered across the stars, waiting to be found? Each planet, like Proxima B, is a puzzle piece in the grand tapestry of the universe. Think about it. Just decades ago, the idea of discovering planets orbiting distant stars seemed impossible. Today, it's our reality, and every discovery brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: what's really out there? We're getting a clearer picture of how these planets form, what they're made of, and whether they could potentially host life. It's incredible to think that even with the limited tools we once had, we've made so much progress in unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Take super-Earths, for example. This term describes rocky planets that are slightly larger than Earth. These planets are a bit of an enigma because we don't have anything like them in our solar system. They might have thick, breathable atmospheres, or they could be barren, inhospitable wastelands. Without a closer look, we can only guess. But what makes them fascinating is the possibility that they could harbor the right conditions for life. Then there are the mini Neptunes. These are smaller versions of Neptune, with thick atmospheres full of gases, and they tend to orbit far from their stars. While they might not be suitable for life as we know it, they're still incredibly intriguing. Each new discovery, whether it's a super-Earth or a mini Neptune, brings us one step closer to understanding the vast, diverse worlds that exist beyond our reach, and who knows what other secrets they might be hiding. But studying exoplanets is no easy feat. Even the closest ones, like Proxima B, are light years away, making it a real challenge to study them in detail. So, scientists have had to get creative, developing clever indirect methods to gather information about these distant worlds. One of the most common techniques is called the transit method. Here's how it works. Scientists monitor the light from a star and watch for any slight dimming. If the light dims, it could mean that a planet is passing in front of the star. By measuring how much the light fades and how long the dip lasts, scientists can determine key details about the planet like its size, its orbit, and even hints about its atmosphere. Another powerful method is radial velocity. This one involves looking for subtle wobbles in a star's movement. If the star is shifting ever so slightly, it could mean that a planet's gravity is pulling on it as it orbits. This method helps scientists figure out the planet's mass and how close it is to its star. Both of these methods have been crucial in discovering new exoplanets, and they're still essential tools in the hunt for new worlds. Now, as we examine Proxima B, we're diving deeper to explore a thrilling question. Could this distant world support life? Exploring its habitability is one of the most exciting aspects of exoplanet research, and every new discovery brings us a step closer to answering that ultimate question. Proxima B is one of the best candidates we've found so far, but it's not alone. The TRAPPIST-1 system, for example, has 7 rocky planets, 3 of which sit in the habitable zone. That means they could have liquid water on their surfaces, just like Earth. Imagine an entire solar system filled with Earth-like planets. The possibilities are endless. But the hunt for exoplanets isn't just about finding new homes for life. It's also helping us understand our own planet better. By comparing Earth to these distant worlds, scientists are learning more about how planets evolve and what makes them suitable for life. And as we explore these planets, we're reminded of how truly special Earth is. Sure, we've discovered all kinds of planets, gas giants, super Earths, mini Neptunes, but none are quite like our home. It's a powerful reminder that, for now, Earth remains unique. We need to take care of it because there's no place quite like it in the known universe. The discovery of exoplanets is one of the greatest scientific achievements of our time. It's opened up an entirely new frontier in astronomy, and it's reshaping the way we think about our place in the cosmos. With each new discovery, we're one step closer to answering some of the biggest questions about life, the universe, and everything in between. Proxima B is just the beginning. There are thousands of stars, each with its own planets, and we've only scratched the surface of what's out there. The James Webb Space Telescope is on a mission to keep exploring, and who knows what it will find next. Maybe we'll uncover signs of life, or perhaps discover a planet even more Earth-like than this one. Whatever happens, one thing is clear: we're living in an incredible era of space exploration. The universe is vast, and there's so much more to learn. This planet is just a tiny piece of a much bigger picture, a reminder of how much we still don't know about the cosmos. But that's what makes it so thrilling. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the great questions of the universe. It's a chance to learn something new, and a humbling reminder that we're part of something far bigger than ourselves. So let's keep looking up. Let's keep exploring. Let's keep wondering what's out there. The journey is just beginning. Proxima B was discovered in 2016, and since then, it's been a major topic of interest in the scientific community. Why? Because it orbits Proxima Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor, and the potential for discovery here is extraordinary. Now, 4 light-years might not sound close, but in the vastness of space, it's practically next door. And Proxima B, orbiting this star, lies in the so-called habitable zone, meaning it's just the right distance from its star for liquid water to possibly exist. And where there's water, there could be life. But before we get too excited, there are some serious questions about whether this planet could actually support life. Without a solid atmosphere, the chances are slim. So scientists are asking, does Proxima B have an atmosphere? And if it does, could it provide the protection necessary for life to thrive? Here's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. It has a few clever tricks up its sleeve. One of them involves observing the planet during a phase called superior conjunction, when Proxima B moves behind its star from our perspective. During this time, some of the light from Proxima Centauri bounces off the planet or its atmosphere, if it has one. Webb's instruments can capture that light, even if it's indirect. And this faint reflection can reveal a lot about the planet's atmosphere, as long as it's thick enough to reflect a decent amount of light. The possibilities are thrilling, and Webb is helping us get closer to answering some of the biggest questions about this distant world. James Webb Space Telescope might be sensitive enough to detect something like carbon dioxide on Proxima B. And if it does, that would be a huge breakthrough, because carbon dioxide could signal a stable atmosphere, one that might support liquid water. And as we know, water is essential when it comes to the possibility of life. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're still talking about a lot of maybes and what-ifs here. It's mind-blowing stuff, but also a bit of a mixed bag. Why? Because Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B orbits, isn't exactly ideal for life. It's constantly spewing radiation and blasting the planet with solar flares, which makes the idea of life on this planet feel more like a long shot. It's like trying to survive on a planet next to a ticking time bomb that's always going off. That doesn't mean it's impossible, but it certainly makes things a lot less cozy than other potentially habitable planets scientists have discovered. Still, Webb is doing its thing gathering data and pushing the boundaries of what we know. If it detects signs of water vapor or clouds, it would be a huge win for the idea that Proxima B could support life. But if it finds no atmosphere, it might mean that all the radiation from Proxima Centauri has simply blown it all away. It's a race against time, and we're all waiting to see what Webb uncovers next. No matter what happens, we're learning something crucial. Even if Proxima B isn't the paradise we hoped for, the tools and techniques we're developing to study it are paving the way for exploring other exoplanets. And there are thousands out there, with more being discovered every day. The James Webb Space Telescope is just getting started, and it's going to allow us to examine all kinds of planets across our galaxy, including those in the TRAPP IST-1 system, a star with 7 Earth-sized planets, several of which are in the habitable zone, too. Proxima B is just one step in a much bigger journey. Next, we'll dig deeper into the planet's atmosphere and see if it can survive the harsh conditions from Proxima Centauri's radiation. The James Webb Space Telescope is changing the game. We're no longer just looking at stars and wondering what's out there. We're diving into the details of what's actually happening on these distant worlds. With each new piece of data, we're getting closer to understanding the universe and our place in it. Whether Proxima B turns out to be habitable or not, the mission is just beginning. And the future of space exploration? It's looking pretty wild. This planet might only be the beginning, but it's already been an incredible journey. The story of Proxima B is about pushing the limits of what we know, not just technologically, but in terms of understanding where we fit in the universe. Humans have always been explorers, whether we were crossing oceans or sending spacecraft into the unknown. And this next chapter is going to be even bigger. In the vast emptiness of space, our drive to understand, to discover something new, and to answer the burning question of whether we're truly alone, this is what keeps us looking to distant worlds. Proxima B has captured our imagination, not just because it's in the habitable zone or because of its location, but because it pushes us to rethink everything we know. This planet challenges us in ways we didn't expect. It challenges our technology, our understanding of atmospheres, star systems, and even our very definition of what makes a planet habitable. Take, for example, one of the biggest questions we face. Has Proxima B managed to keep its atmosphere at all? Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, notorious for its extreme levels of stellar activity. This activity can strip a planet of its protective layers, with flares bombarding the planet with intense ultraviolet and X-ray radiation. This kind of radiation can break apart atmospheric molecules, causing lighter elements to escape into space. If this has been happening for billions of years, Proxima B could be nothing more than a barren, rocky world. But here's the kicker: if Proxima B has a magnetic field, much like Earth's, it could have protected its atmosphere from this relentless radiation. Now that's a possibility worth investigating. And it's why we keep looking up. A strong enough magnetic field could be the key to protecting Proxima B's atmosphere from being completely stripped away. If the planet has this magnetic shield, it could deflect much of the harsh radiation from its star, allowing the atmosphere to survive. That's why scientists are so eager to detect certain molecules, like carbon dioxide. If Proxima B has carbon dioxide, it would be a strong indication that the planet still has a thick enough atmosphere to retain heavier molecules. Plus, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, meaning it could trap heat and help regulate the planet's temperature. This would make the surface conditions more stable, even if the planet is tidally locked. Now, a tidally locked planet, where one side always faces its star, creates an interesting scenario. One half of the planet is in perpetual daylight, while the other is in eternal darkness. Without an atmosphere, this would cause one side to become scorching hot and the other freezing cold. But with an atmosphere in place, the heat from the day side could be distributed across the planet, potentially creating a temperate zone along the terminator line, the boundary between day and night. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.